Hey y'all, today we'll be going over Easel by Inventables and Fusion 360 by Autodesk. We'll just be looking at how to obtain the software and get the accounts needed in order to proceed in using the CNC and helping produce files for the CNC. We'll discuss why they're distinct but definitely key. So first off, here's the Fusion program. On the left here you see the DBF manufacturing folder. It contains different files that we've cut in the past. You can see here a radome, an end plate for a plane, some of the ribs, and we'll see that here in a minute inside of Easel. So this is what we use to import sometimes from CAD, such as SolidWorks. So we just drag the files in. Orientation matters a lot, like the way things are placed. Again, that'll be addressed in later videos. But we're going to have many videos on this program in specific, but then we'll also go over to Easel by Inventables, and we'll log in here. So you're going to go to this website, inventables.com. You can log in, you'll hit this button, then you'll come over here and make a new account. So you put in your email address. It does not matter for this if you have your VT email address or your regular one. Know that we do need this account specifically to download drivers to your computer. So we can download the driver after we plug in the CNC. CNC uses a USB. So I'm a returning customer. And then we're going to go in and, oh, it didn't open. So I have it saved up here as a hot tab. So while we're waiting for that to load, we'll go over to Fusion. Fusion, so what you'll do is you'll Google Fusion 360 student, and you'll come to this page. You'll say, I need an account, create an account. And this allows you to download the software for free. If you don't use your school email address, you will not get the software for free. So make sure that you do that. Now, once you have created your account and have your email address attached to it, another key reason you need to use your school one, because we can then add you to this folder, the DBF manufacturing folder. This will then allow you to contribute as well as take files from this to cut. So this right here is important because say that there's one little error in the file and it needs to be corrected, but you already left to go home for the weekend or something, then somebody else can open that file and make changes as needed. And notice we make many versions of the ribs, so this often happens. So back to Easel. Still loading. There it is. So here you can see is one of the ribs that we cut out. Now the orientation again matters drastically. The CNC cuts in many depths, can cut to many depths, and in obviously the XY plane. So we import these objects, or this G code they call it, and this tells the CNC exactly where to go, how deep to cut, how fast to spin. And while all this might be a lot, it's actually pretty easy to program from within Fusion, and this is why we use Fusion. So this was just a quick intro video. Again, go back and download the software needed and make the accounts needed. Easel from Inventables.com and Fusion 360 from Autodesk. Now, the point of these videos is to just use as reference, really. You know, it's great to have somebody to show you how to operate CNC, how to make a file, etc. But, you know, what happens when that person leaves? Like, are you going to remember how? Like, it's good to have these as reference or go back to, or say that person went through it and explained it way too quick. Well, now you can go back, you know, play it on half speed if you need to. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video, we'll probably go over just some basic things in Fusion, such as importing, exporting files, or altering milling patterns.